Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to hide a board on Pinterest. Maybe you have some boards that you don't want to share with other people or just want to declutter your Pinterest profile. So today I'm going to show you how to hide a board on Pinterest. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Pinterest application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, go to your profile page by tapping on this profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are on your profile page, tap on the board that you want to hide. Once you are on the board page, tap on this three dots icon at the top right corner of the page. A drop down menu will appear, and here, tap on this edit board option. In this page, under visibility option, you can now see this option, keep this board secret. You simply need to toggle on this button next to the option. Once done, tap on this done button to save your changes. After that, you now have successfully hidden your board on Pinterest. This board will now be invisible to other people and only you can access it. There you go. If you wanted to know how to hide a board on Pinterest, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to hide a board on Pinterest, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.